friends, today I'm doing another video, but this time it's about jeans. As I ordered some jeans from American Eagle. I never ordered any jeans from that store before, as I was living in Europe, so it was not available there. And when I moved, and I heard online that they are very nice jeans, that they fit also curvy bodies. But I ordered one that are not much stretch to them, and they are more like vintage and in style lately. And I'm normally size between 14 or 16, but I heard you can size up in them because they are not stretchable. So I ordered 2 sizes. Maybe I will return some, or if they don't fit, then I return both. So let me see. They came in this packaging. Maybe first I try all of it. So yeah, I ordered size 18 and 16. So I ordered jeans called Mom Jean Long High Rise. So this is them, and they look like this. It says here Mom Jean Long High Rise Cool Classic, color Cool Classic, and it says here, and this is 18 long. Normally they are for $50, but it was sale for 30. And they looks like this. We have rips in the knee, like here, and they are made. We also have some small distress, like here on butt, like here. And here. The color is light blue. This dressing looks like this. It's really nice, but I think they are a little loose in legs. 18 for sure. We will see if 16 is loose too. So yeah, this is 18, so wide. I also have that stripes here. I don't know if I like it. Inside we have something printed on the pockets, like here, and it says Mom Jean American Eagle. Yeah, so I try them on. I did try them on in light, in the daylight, and I will try them on in the dark, in the fake light. And another one, American Eagle, came in packaging. So this one looks the same. It's Mom Jean. This one came without this thing here, but we have this kind. They are 16 long, and they are so big, but less big than other ones. This dressing looks like this. And also on bed. Yeah. And here looks like this. So yeah, I will try them on. I will try both. This size 18 in the and this American Eagle. And they are little, even they are little tiny belly, but they are really loose in legs, as you can see, which I don't like, as I wanted it to be more fitted. They look bad, so I'm going back. As you can see, they are too baggy. As you can see, they are so baggy. Like, I'm not that fat. My legs are skinny like that. See? They are so big. So I think that jeans should, because I have bigger belly, that's why. So I guess I'll have to return them, and maybe size 16 will fit me better. But on the other hand, baggy jeans are now in style. On the side they are really baggy. Wow, that's really baggy. So yeah. And here is size 16. So size 16 is hard to button. When I button them, they are a little belly stick out. Like too tight here, but still they are loose here a little bit, but not as bad as other ones. So yeah, that's how they look. I think they look better than size 18. So they are more fitted. So I guess it would be almost good. Still a little loose here. But when you walk, it's not so loose. Just this part is a little tight. I don't know what to do with them. If to keep them or not. Because maybe I would get another jeans from Gap those I would return. I don't know, guys. We are tight here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one, and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload.